So this is one of the black graded trails. This top section's quite flowy, a few routes. A couple of little techie sections here, a couple of line choices. A few rollers here, pump your way through. And we cross over into the main section. A couple of line choice there. Into a high-speed section, tucking inside on that one, and then we're going to get to the infamous Sheepskull routes momentarily. Kate goes in the middle, I'm going to go up high, loads of line choice through here, and then into the high-speed bottom section. Couple different lines through there. Then we got some bike park berms coming down here, jump into the berms, another jump. Some more big berms into a bit of a rock garden through here. Last couple corners into the finish straight. Couple jumps to finish. And a Sheepskull.